Shannon-Weaver model. Welcome, everyone. This is Anthony John A. Lindungan. Today we'll be discussing the Shannon-Weaver model of communication. Shannon-Weaver model of communication. This model was developed by Warren Weaver and Claude Shannon in 1948. The two developed this mathematical communication theory to describe how communication occurs between a sender and a receiver. They initially designed it as a linear model to explain how a message is sent and received. The Shannon-Weaver model process, it begins with an information source, the sender, who encodes a message. This message travels through a channel, potentially encountering noise, interference. The receiver then decodes the message, providing feedback to the sender. Its strength lies in its simplicity and clarity. It visually represents the key elements involved, making it easy to understand the basic communication process. It is also highlights the importance of considering noise and its impact on successful transmission. Despite its benefits, there are various criticisms of it. First, it is more effective for face-to-face communication but less effective for mass and group communication. Another criticism is that the receiver remains passive while the sender plays active role during the communication. As a result, the communication process risks losing strength. For example, a person listening to television plays a passive role as there is no feedback compared to the primary information passed by the sender. Feedback is taken as less essential. The model takes communication as quantifiable, hence critics argue that is misleading since human communication are not mathematical in nature. That's all. Thank you.